Look at that beautiful, beautiful establishment of glory and freedom, aka the Freedom Factory. Absolutely gorgeous. Who wants to go on free helicopter tours of the Freedom Factory? Come one, come all. Yeah. Tell Cleaner to go ahead and make the purchase. We can bring a 737 in and out of the Freedom Factory, no problemo. Stop! So we have arrived at the gate. That's crazy. He kind of looks creepy. He kind of looks creepy. Cletus, do you approve of this modification? Oh no, he shook his head no. Ooh. That's the kind of flyby that the Freedom Factory needs during one of his races.
Yes, sir. You're on the Yankees YouTube channel.
Chewing on my lip again, looking like an idiot. Whenever I get concentrated, I chew on my lip. I don't know if anybody else does that. Whoa, 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 little rudder action. Keep it on there. Keep it on there. There we go. Look at that. Oh, looks like the wind has changed direction. You can see over here, Cletus is over here as well. He's always watching over his cub. His cub's not as cool as mine, though. Did a little short field there, baby. And Cleaner, I put in a custom tower here for you. Just an idea. Back in. There we go.
500.
Can we bleed off enough speed? Nope, go around. Gotta love the capability of a Piper, baby. Whoa, there's some trees there. Let's try not to get hung up in those. Oh yeah, we bled off enough speed now. Just hanging it on the prop. Oh, how's that for a buttery landing, baby? Let's see if we can stop it. Give it full throttle. Here we go, here we go, here we go again. Whoa, didn't keep it up like I wanted it to. Whoa, what happened? My brakes like engaged. That was weird. We'll get up, no problemo. Hey. Need a little bit of throttle. A little bit of throttle. A little bit of throttle. Get us over the wall. Now we're over the wall. Oh, big bounce. I always do that coming into here sometimes. Stop! Brakes! Okay. Oh, right rudder, right rudder. Little up. Whoa! Let's not clip that wing. Hello. Flap up. Gain a little speed. There's some trees right in front of us. That's always good. Look at that beautiful, beautiful establishment of glory and freedom, aka the Freedom Factory. Absolutely gorgeous. I could do a whole lot more work to it, but that's, yeah, I'm not that much of a freak. Come on, baby. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I bounce it. Oh, baby. Stop. Go around the track. Give you guys a tour. So this is the burnout loop, one of them. Or the drifting loop, I should say. There's Cletus. There's Parker's Hellcat. There's Maddie's Porsche. Kevin from KSR's over there in his Ranger. Whistle and Diesel's coming in over the fence with his tank. He's around the back. Let's see if I can do a couple of donuts. And then actually get it to go off at the right spot. Here we go. Oh my gosh. There's some poles there. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on. Hey. We made it. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Got it all lit up, baby. Now I can kind of show you guys all the stuff. That would be awesome if Cletus popped in here. I know he's a busy guy though, so that's what I always come to. Like, there's like some guys that can do it in real life. They don't even bother with the simulator stuff because, yeah, they can do it in real life. And then some guys that do it in real life, like myself, I am a pilot, but I'm not a professional pilot. I'm just a private pilot. But I enjoy the simulator because, you know, obviously cost is a factor. So when in Rome, got the fire department there just in case. Doing it for Dale right there in the parking lot. You know that's right, brother. I got a little RV camper over there, so that way some of the track guys can stay there overnight, clean up all the mess. Got a Hummer. I had some other things in here too that I took out because they were just a little excessive. But yeah, this is it. And then obviously over here we got old Cleater Mosquito. Got him his little hangar over there. I know it's not as nice as his real life hangar, but hey, you know, what are you gonna do? And then, you know, got Cletus right there hanging out. See if I can. He kind of looks creepy. He kind of looks creepy. Cletus, do you approve of this modification? Oh no, he shook his head no. Oh boy. Whoa, hello. But yeah, there she is, boys. I feel like we should try to fly a F-18 or something like that into here. That'd be kind of cool. I don't think so. Oh boy. I figured I'd at least give it a try. I'm gonna need a little bit more run-up room to that. Pucker factor engaged. flyby for the Freedom 500, baby. Boom. That's the kind of flyby that the Freedom Factory needs during one of its races. Target locked on. We got it. Remember me? Fox 3. Fire. Plus speed. We got our lift dumpers.
Power, 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 power.
Just like landing on a carrier. Whoa, come to a stop, come to a stop. We're gonna go up the ramp just a little bit. Up. Hey. We did it. There we go. And it's dumb too, because I don't have a collective set up or anything, so I'm literally doing it on RPM, which is obviously the wrong thing to do. And as you can see, no smoking is allowed. Wow, helicopter's really quiet on the inside. Let's see what it sounds like on the outside. Oh, it's not too bad. Yeah, explosion incoming. I think some people will find interesting. Some people, not all people. Not everybody likes Corvettes, so. Look at this beautiful factory of freedom. Look at that. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Come on, Cletus, wave me in. Wave me in, baby. We're landing on your helipad. Whoa, I am not good at this. Let's see what it looks like from the outside. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy Toledo. Whoa. What the hell? Whoa. So stupid. November 49er12 Papa requested clearance for takeoff. I don't give a damn. I'm taking off regardless. Whoa. Whoa. What? Why? Why? Man, it does not like flying like that. Who wants to go on free helicopter tours of the Freedom Factory? Come one, come all. Totally safe. We pride ourselves in excellence in every way. Professionalism. Oh, and we've only had a few accidents at the Freedom Factory. So, here we go. Okay. I don't think we're clearing the trees. Oh, maybe. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ah. Oh, look at that back wind. Here we go. Yeah. Tell Cleaner to go ahead and make the purchase. We can bring a 737 in and out of the Freedom Factory, no problemo.
200.
Full max auto brake.
100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Stop! Whoa. I could not have planned that any better. Holy cow. So we have arrived at the gate. That's crazy. You guys know that I'm quite random with my streams and quite random with my content, so, you know, it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So, we'll go ahead and end the stream, and like I said, thank you again for, you know, staying with us and watching the stream. So, until next time, Moki, I got it. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear?